Hello guys, I meet my new friends here in Spain, Barcelona. They are also working on social media and TV, so let's ask them something. Okay guys, tell me about yourself first. What's your name?
My name is Antonio.
Okay, Antonio and?
Carmen.
Okay, Carmen. You guys work here in social media or media?
Yes, we do social media here in
Okay,
Spain.
sure. That's great. I want some tips from you guys especially for tourist people. They are beach lovers. They're coming to Spain or in Europe. So how they can reach here and which way is the easier way to find?
Be polite.
Be polite, right?
Yes.
And we heard that like the people here a lot of pocket snatching or something, but so far I'm fine. I don't see anybody.
Anybody.
Yeah,
anybody.
it's maybe it's
No.
misunderstanding or like
There are
misinformation.
more tourists than more pickpockets.
Oh, okay, guys. All right. So this beach is open 24/7, right? Can visit here.
Yes.
I think.
Okay,
I'm
and
not sure, but I think that yes.
yeah, and I've seen a lot of metros, subways, and buses coming here. Easier way to reach here,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
All right. So what other attraction is it here in the beach? You look cool, man.
The sea.
Yeah.
And
An Hotel Vela.
yes.
Okay. Here is that's the
Nice.
hotel, right?
Yes.
Okay. So far, good. That's right. Okay. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot, guys.
You're welcome.
Yeah. Hope to see you soon.
Bye.
Bye bye
Thank
again.
you. Bye.
All right.
What's the name of your channel?
Mr. Ali Baloch 1.
Vale.
Yeah. All right. Let me show
How
you.
do you-
Okay, guys. Continue watching. See you next video. Bye bye.